Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. It's Stacy from FionaLaneDesigns.com. I forget to tell you guys who I am and what I do. Mostly I make money garage selling, right? But we do sometimes have to Christmas craft because I found no Christmas this year, and I was looking hard. Y'all were with me. We were out there doing it. Yesterday I went to the OG's with my sister, and we went through his Christmas stuff. That was awesome because now my car is full of Christmas stuff, so I feel like I don't have to craft anymore, but there's a few projects that I wanted to finish. Can't remember what they are right now. As you can see, it's cold. I put a winter hat on. It's so cold. I took the dog out and was wearing my father-in-law's hunting gear. It's the only way I can be warm out there while she wants to run around and play, but maybe I'll do something with this guy. I still think he's very majestic. I gotta get some furniture done, like, fast, guys. So I need to finish up what I'm doing in here for crafting, get this all done, and get a dresser in here, like, stat. Like, I need a dresser because in January, I took on the extra booths. I'm gonna have 3 booths to fill for January, and I'm gonna want some furniture. I can move the pieces from the other 2 booths into that piece for the first 2 months. But then the 3rd month that I have it, I'm going to have to, well, it also means I have to put some stuff in the big booth in the closet. But I'm going to have to fill that in. But we got it. We've got it. I can't stress too much about it until I get through next week. Well, next week's Thanksgiving. The week after is Picket. And I haven't done my booth. So I need to get that all straightened out. And I've been going through it in my mind, actually obsessively not sleeping, going through it in my mind of how I want to lay it out because I have to move some things around. Just this month. And then I have the 3rd booth with both ground floor PF2. So I'll be able to move furniture back and forth, which will help a lot for 3 months. And then we're coming up on Spring Junk Bonanza. Yay. You guys, I know. I said I want to do the 100 Project 100 Days for you guys, but, I do want to do that for you. The only thing is, a lot of my 100 projects will be getting prepped for Junk Bonanza. So, it's going to be kind of boring for you guys to watch, but that's what I'm doing. So, there will be an accountability thread. We're going to do that again. We're going to open it up in January 2nd again, and I'll put more information about that soon. I don't know. Probably December 1st when Picket opens, and I've got way too much stuff going on. Anywho, I haven't loved up the website. There's just been so much I've fallen down on, and I'm okay with it. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. For now, I would like to get some more vignettes made. I have the Fairview Cheese Box. Fairview. I don't know. Said fair something. I want to get this done. With some little, maybe the deer. I still think he would look cute. Like, he's super heavy though, so we're going to have to get him cut to the right height, which is here. My pencil. I don't know. Let's just use a scissor mark it. I need to cut that off there. So I'm going to cut it so that it's the right height because he's very top heavy. I suppose I could stick a stick up his butt too, but there's no hole there for it. And then I think I want him to be silver as well. So Martha may have to step up here. I'm gonna get stuff up here. I got the tag off of them. It's just plastic. So this gold is not on there really well. Yes, I'm sanding a deer butt. You're worth it. And then I'm just going to take them outside. You guys won't see that part because it is cold and windy. So there's a good chance that that silver is coming back into my face. But I don't have time to wait for the weather to be perfect. He's going to get silver eyes. You were gold. Now you're going to be silver. I'm just waiting for crap to dry. Let's see if I can get this filled with some floral foam and get it prepped for Mr. Dia. Ordinarily, I have a big scraper like this that I use. I can't find the big one, so I'm going to have to make several cuts. And I put it on the floor because it makes a mess. It slices right through. And ordinarily, I have one that's wide enough to make one cut so they're straight. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Slice them off. Measure the cut. Short enough. Darn. It's crooked. So that's my last brick of floral foam. Now we have like a surface to start working on. Okay. What are we going to put down? I think more silver tinsel. So glad I bought the silver tinsel. Really love the silver tinsel. I'm going to put a few layers. Looks like 3 layers of silver tinsel. Let me get you guys flipped around so you can actually see what I'm working on instead of my ugly mug. But there's my first one. All right, I think the glue gun is warm. So I'm gonna get you guys situated here. I think I'm gonna buy myself a plastic cover for my ironing board here. Okay, I'm out of glue. I'm running low on glue. Oh my God. I've been crafting up a storm. I went through a whole bag here. I have 3 sticks left. Okay, after 3 sticks, we're done. So I literally have no glue left. Why? It's Sunday morning. Everybody's blessed and doing good, right? There we go. Come on, hot glue, cooperate. I am not gluing this to the box in case there's purists out there who are ready to yell at me. Nothing is glued into the box yet. And I don't think I'm going to. All right, time lapse. Guys, the wind is literally howling. I've been sitting here going, big old wind tunnel out there. So this is what I did. I'm going to put the deer on top, but this is the base for him. So I've got the 2 little baubles here, and then I put some greenery in it, and then he's going to be like the main show. So I'm going to set that aside, let him dry, get him all set. It's a her. It's a freaking her. This is a deer, all female. And I'm just as bad as institutionalized misogyny. Okay, so this is going to be ready. Well, this is his base. I did not glue anything to the wood. So if somebody buys it and they decide they don't want the Christmas stuff, the cheese box is still a viable cheese box. Because I'm a vintage person, and I would never do that. I would do that to some pieces that are irredeemable. Okay? The pieces that I do it to are irredeemable. This one's not irredeemable. It's just a lovely cheese box, but I got 1,000 cheese boxes. And I think he'll make a cute little winter vignette. So now I gotta set that aside, let it dry. I'm gonna work on a different project. Oh, the dog barks. I'm working on multiple videos a day to try and keep things going through the holidays. So I'm gonna get like hopefully 2 or 3 done a day so that during Thanksgiving and Christmas I can run things for you guys. So just trying to get ahead. Okay, here he is. I'm gonna go in this box if I can find a spot. Majestic reindeer. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so happy with them. I am really surprisingly happy with this freaking deer. Yeah, I changed my hat. Head was getting too warm. I'm working on, like I told you that, several videos. So you'll see this hat and this outfit in a different video or parts of other videos. But I am so stoked on how this turned out, you guys. That made me happy to see this deer. Because when I picked him up for 50 cents, I was like, okay, it might work, it might not work. He's cute, but I don't know. He's adorable. He's freaking adorable. I might not want to sell him. God, so cute.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.